Good morning, everyone, from the sunny deserts of, where are we at? Calla'Ventures. That's a word I just made up, y'all, in case you're wondering. Southern California / Arizona. Calla'Ventures. That's pretty funny. Anyway, I just wanted to throw out a quick intro video. Yes, we're eating chocolate chip cookies for breakfast.
We've already had breakfast.
We've already had breakfast. She corrected me real quick on that. Anyway, I'm going to put on, we stayed at Palm Canyon last weekend, and it was fantastic. Visited some friends. Had a good time. It got kind of cold, windy. There was actually snow, but I got a quick video and a little bit of a hike in, so I'm going to throw that on here after this intro. We are still at Imperial Dam in Winter Haven. We'll be here next week. We're going to Quartzsite to visit some more friends and go to Party on Pomosa, I think it's called. It's an escapees event. And then we're going to come back here for a couple of weeks, do a few more modifications, upgrades on the truck / camper. I'm going to put a DC to DC charger in here and do some wiring changes for the solar and stuff. Then after that, we're going to the Truck Camper Rally, February the 14th. She gets excited about that one. That's fun. We enjoy that one.
Learn a lot.
Learn a lot. It's a adventure, Truck Camper Adventure is the ones that puts it on. Mellow Mike, he's the MC / coordinator for the whole event. And we're going up there, spend the weekend at the Truck Camper Adventure Rally. After that, we're going to come back here and sit on our laurels for about 6 weeks, in doing anything that might need to be done before we head north, y'all. North to Alaska. That's our summer adventure. Hopefully, we'll get our recordings back on track then. Right now, we're just kind of hit and miss, and that's okay with me. Anyway, Mrs. C is doing well. I know you guys haven't seen a lot of her. She got kind of puny there for a while, and has been kind of laying low, and that's all right. You know, we all get that way sometimes. Bruno is, I don't know where he's over there somewhere.
He's over here.
Yeah, he's here. Let me see. Where's Bruno? There's he is.
Bruno, not far from me.
Hi, Bruno. Anyway, that's Bruno. He's doing well too. He's loving the truck camper life. We're about to break down and have some lunch here in a little bit. Maybe. What time is it? Oh, it's only 10:30. We're not having lunch. We're just going to have some more cookies. Probably make some more coffee. But anyway, we're here at Imperial Dam. We love it. $180 for 7 months stay, dump, water, trash, all the stuff you need. We just kind of come and go. We use this as a stopping off spot for exploring the area. We did last year a lot more than we're doing this year. But anyway, you guys enjoy the video from Palm Canyon. The hike is so-so. I enjoyed it. Had a good time. A couple of random clips in there for y'all to watch, but I'm going to stop this intro. Anything, Mrs. C, you got any words of wisdom for your fan club?
I am good.
They have missed you. Anyway, we'll see y'all down the road. Be safe. Bye. Oh, and enjoy the clips for the video. Bye. Go this way. So it's the same scenario as last year when I was up here. I'm hiking by myself, so I'm going to use wisdom and not hike up to the palms by myself, climb up to the palms by myself. There's no one else out here but me. I think I'm going to hike back up in the canyon a little ways. I don't see what's back there. Those are the palms and palms. See a trail back there. We'll find out. I feel like Cody Oden right now, doing things I probably shouldn't do, but I don't want to turn around. Cody's on the Dome Life, y'all, in case you don't know that. Reach the end of the road. Oh, I don't know. Let's see what we got. I can do a lot of boulder hopping.
I watch the rain streak down our window.
I think I spotted the trail. Oh.
We never dreamed.
All right, here's one time. Oh. Watch your step, kids.
Like a fool
Rocks are loose.
Our troubles will just dissipate. Why do we wait to change until it's too late?
We're gonna hop over to that little area right there.
Ready to run with the blood moon sinking over. But it ain't over till it's over. as with a flame. A single word can bring you closer. Break the silence with a whisper. There comes a swift and gentle wave. When you call upon the name.
Alrighty, just like with the palms, because I am out here alone.
I feel the pull.
I mean, Mrs. C knows I'll be back shortly, but I think I'm going to call this the end of my hike. Maybe an hour, hour and a half. I hope this video comes across as beautiful. I mean, I know it's kind of dark today, cloudy. Man, this is spectacular beyond words.
I look around and see the whole world breaking. Oh, where do
We're out there somewhere camped.
When nowhere feels safe. I'm a vessel on the waves.
Alright, y'all, it's time to head back. I've gone as far and as high as I want to go today. It's been an excellent hike. I'm going to head back down. I got to get my stick. I dropped it down there. So I got to go down there and get my stick. Anyway. See y'all maybe a time or two on the way back. For those of you wanting the easier route up, you go. And over we go. After the down climb. Woo.
Swift and gentle lane. When you call upon the name,
That was exciting. Palms. And that, folks, is my version of the Palm Canyon hike at the KOFA Wildlife Refuge, National Wildlife Refuge. Yeah. You come from the trailhead just to the Palms. It's about a 9/10 of a mile round trip. You go back where I did. I don't know how far back I went. I don't care. It's a beautiful little hike. Easy. It's not hard. There's a couple little stumbly spots, as you saw. only one for me today, but anyway, nice hike. We're gonna call it here. I'm gonna head back to the truck, grab some lunch, check on Mrs. C and Bruno, of course, and we'll see y'all wherever I pick the camera up next. Depends on the weather. On there somewhere. There's a red truck camper behind that cactus. KOFA National Wildlife Refuge. Looks like we got